Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of x e with the power of ex minus ex dx. Okay, you can solve this integral using the formula for integration by part. That is, integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. Okay, so here I define x as u, therefore dx will be equal to du. Okay, and I define e minus x dx as dv, therefore v will be equal to integral of e minus x dx, which will be equal to minus e minus x. Okay, if it's not clear for you how to take this integral, write from in the comment section and I will explain for you how to do that. So in any case, so now you need to substitute these equations into this formula. So that will be equal, this integral will be equal to u times v. U is x, v is minus e minus x. So uv will be equal to minus x e minus x minus integral of v is here e minus e with the power of minus x times du, and du is equal to dx according to this equation. So I just write down here dx. Okay, so therefore this will be equal to minus x e minus x plus minus times minus is plus e integral of e minus x dx. Okay, and this integral will be equal to minus x times e minus x, and integral of e minus x will be equal to minus e with the power of minus x. Okay, and if it's not clear for you how to calculate the integral of e with the power of minus x, as I explained here, just write for me in the comment section and I will explain for you how to do that. Okay, plus c, which is the constant of the integral, and that is basically the solution to this integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.